Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how you can edit a PDF in Canva. To begin, navigate to the main page of Canva. Click on the Upload button to add the PDF file to Canva. Wait a few seconds for the file to upload. Once uploaded, you'll see it in your recent designs. Click on it to open. Zoom in for better visibility after opening the PDF. You can select elements by hovering over them and double-clicking. This allows you to make changes, reshape elements, format them, adjust alignment, and more. When you're finished editing the PDF, head over to the Share option and click on the Download button. Choose the file type for the download. Make sure to select the same type as the original file, such as PDF. Opt for PDF Standard for online use or PDF Print for print purposes. Then click on Download. Wait for it to load, and your edited PDF will be downloaded. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you for watching.